Okay, quick little throttle cable setup here. Unfortunately, we got the California approved motors here at our Harbor Freight, so we are stuck with the L-shaped tanks, which means you got the elongated cap for your air filter. There's a simple little hookup I did. If you can get one of them little throttle cable bolts, you can see a light going through it. And then from any hardware store, you can get a little L bracket. And then with your little swivel nut, which is right here, you got plenty of clearance for your cable. So instead of buying the bracket, it's already got something mounted on the back, welded there, or trying to mount something off the side of here, that's the simplest way you're going to go. Simple little L bracket.